As a volunteer mentor, you will help students search for schools that best fit their goals. Keep in mind, ASPIRE encourages students to explore all post-secondary options, not just 2- and 4-year colleges. Here in the toolkit, use these search tools to explore schools. All the information your student will need regarding campus preview dates, admissions requirements, application deadlines, and institutional scholarships can be found on each school's website. With your student, track these deadlines and determine with them if their transcript meets the college's requirements. Options beyond high school. Let's take a look at all the options beyond high school. Private career schools, community colleges, public universities, private colleges and universities, out-of-state schools, distance learning, military academies. Private career schools are privately owned, for-profit schools that offer certification in a large number of fields. Examples of certificate programs from these schools include hairdresser, tattoo artist, dental assistant, and office assistant. Here are some important things to consider about private career schools. Credits earned are specific to that school only and cannot be transferred elsewhere. Oregon community colleges may offer training in the same field. Cost comparisons between the two can be helpful. Students are advised to check the State of Oregon's list of licensed private career schools. Community colleges. These colleges offer 2-year associate degrees or certificates of completion in career technical fields. For students planning to complete their 4-year bachelor degree, Oregon community colleges offer the Oregon Transfer Degree, which ensures students are on a course track that will lead to acceptance at one of the state universities. Community college is generally considered to be the least expensive avenue to higher education, and for some students, it can be an easier transition out of high school. Career Pathways program is a great resource that helps students align their education with a specific career. The program provides visual roadmaps to every career technical certificate program available at Oregon's community colleges. It also outlines ways that individuals, over time, can add on additional certificates which will help them advance in their chosen career. Oregon Public Universities. There are 7 state schools offering undergraduate as well as master's and doctoral degrees in Oregon. They offer students a wide range of choices in majors and course of study, campus size, teacher-student ratios, and cultural environment. Admissions requirements can vary from school to school and can be less stringent than those at many private colleges. Private colleges and universities offer the same types of degree programs as public universities. They may be more selective in their admissions process, and requirements vary widely from school to school. Course rigor and GPA are generally considered first, followed by test scores. Some private universities in Oregon have stringent admissions requirements, while others are closer to public university admissions standards. Always check the school's website for admissions requirements. Distance schools. There are more and more options to take training online. Before applying to these schools, students should check to make sure they are accredited, meaning they are approved by the state. Contact the State of Oregon's Office of Degree Authorization to verify this. Out-of-state schools have similar options as in-state universities, but out-of-state tuition may be higher. There are options for reduced tuition through special programs. Please refer to your volunteer toolkit for these opportunities. Military options. Students interested in attending a military academy should be directed immediately to a recruiter. Some students may be interested in applying to a Reserve Officers Training Corps, ROTC, program at a college. These 2-, 3-, and 4-year scholarship programs allow a student to enter the military as a commissioned officer after college graduation. ROTC requires a post-graduation service commitment of 2 to 5 years, depending on the type of scholarship received. When choosing an education option, students should take into consideration cost, location, areas of study, campus culture, and more. You'll find resources in the toolkit that can help students make the best choice. Strong